Cedar is a natural repellent for odors, moths, and other pests. That's why Cedar Sense has created a line of Eastern Red aromatic cedar products made especially for you. We've harnessed the natural power of cedar to protect and freshen your clothes and closet. We have cedar rings that hang right on your hangers, cedar balls for your dresser drawers, as well as cedar sachets to use when storing your clothes. Unlike our competitors, we know what American-made means. The Eastern Red cedar we use stays in the United States from the beginning to the end. It doesn't sit in a Chinese factory for months on end, or journey from China to the United States in cargo containers. No. Instead, we choose to entirely source and craft our products right here in the United States. When you choose Cedar Sense, you're not only supporting our family-owned business, you're supporting an American company that will always put American jobs first.